Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Dr. Saran, and in this video we are going to talk about the GMC registration fees, discount you can avail, and the refund and refund criterias in very short. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the topic. So let's first go to the GMC registration website. So you can see in the GMC website that this is the fees section. So these are the common fees, and they will charge around, annual registration fees for a doctor with the license is £420. So discounted registration fees for newly qualified doctors, which applies to most of the doctors who are applying for the GMC registration. So they will charge around £161. Uh, so this is the main section of the registration fees. So they have mentioned that the newly qualified doctors can benefit from fixed term discount on the registration fee, and which can save up to thousands of pounds during the first 5 years as a doctor. The charge they will take is the application for a provisional registration is um, you know 25 pounds from 1st April 2023, and for the full GMC registration and the license to practice, they will charge around 166 pounds from 1st April 2023. So before it was 161. Yeah, now it has been recently changed. So yeah, you can also see that the discount fees applies to the doctor who is moving from the provisional registration to the full registration, or a doctor who submit their application within the 5 years of passing the primary medical qualification. So these are the two discount criteria. So if you are a doctor who is moving from the provisional registration to the full registration, you can avail this discount. Or if you are a doctor who submit the application within the 5 year of passing your primary medical qualification, then yeah, you can always benefited from the discount. So if you are someone who does not fall into the category mentioned above, so you have to pay the full registration fee. um, uh, uh, the uh, the application for a full registration fee with license to practice for doctors who are not eligible for the discount mentioned above is £433 from the 1st April 2023, and application for a full registration with license to practice for a temporary period for a visiting specialist is £433. So they have a different clause at mentioned here. You can read that discount may be eligible for 50% of the discount. So doctors may be eligible for 50% discount on this fee if their gross annual income is below the specified threshold. So for the specified threshold, you can see from here as well. So now let's talk about the in very short that the application fee refunds and the fees, the administration charge they will take you from. So when would you be eligible for the refund? So you can refund your charge or application fee, but they might deduct the administration cost. So after you paid. So if you withdraw your application, then you can apply for the refund. If your application is unsuccessful, then they will refund you with taking the administration charge. And if they close your application because you failed within the time scale to provide the documents and everything, then you can apply for the refund. So always respond to the request evidences and complete the identity check if your application is approved. So these are the criteria to be eligible for the refund. And scrutiny fee or administration charge is the small charge that they will take for going through your application and full details and everything. You can see all the details here. So how you can get the refund is they have clearly mentioned here that you are due for the refund. They will credit to the card that you have used to pay for registration fee. And if you made your payment by the bank's checks voucher, then you can fill this form right over here, click and download this form, and return through the email or postal code on the top of the form, and they will post the refund to your the bank. So yeah, this is about it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.